First of all, let's recall agricultural practices. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. In the previous classes, we have discussed preparation of soil and sowing. Today, let us discuss other activities. First of all, adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Manures are organic substances obtained from decomposition of plant and animal waste. Manuring is done to replenish soil with nutrients. Now let's see what are the advantages are there for manuring. Manure improves water retaining capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous and exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. It replenishes the soil with necessary nutrients. Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in a particular nutrient. Examples: urea, ammonium sulfate, supersulfate, potash, NPK fertilizers. That means it includes nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Advantages of fertilizers: it helps farmers to get better yield of crops. Disadvantages of fertilizers: it will cause water pollution. It made the soil less fertile. Artificial fertilizers often cause diseases. Now let's see the differences between fertilizers and manure. Fertilizers are inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substance. Fertilizer is a chemical substance and manure is an organic substance. Fertilizers prepared in factories, manure prepared in fields. Fertilizers does not humidify the soil. Manure provides humus to the soil. Fertilizers rich in plant nutrients, manure less rich in plant nutrients. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Crop rotation takes advantage of the agricultural benefits of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. A non-legume such as maize is planted one year and the next year a legume is planted to restore the concentration of nitrogen in the soil. Rhizobium is a bacteria found in soil that helps in fixing nitrogen in leguminous plants. It attaches to the roots of the leguminous plants and produces nodules. These nodules fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into ammonia that can be used by the plant for its growth and development. Next step is irrigation. Process of application of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Sources of water: river, stream, reservoir, rain, pond, hand pump, and well. Traditional methods of irrigation: Dekli, chain pump, mot, rahat. Modern methods of irrigation. There are two types of modern methods. They are sprinkler system and drip system. Drip irrigation method. In this method, a small amount of water is applied at frequent intervals in the form of water droplets. Drips through perforations in plastic pipes or through nozzles attached to tubes spread over the soil.
It will use to irrigate a limited area around the plant. Sprinkler irrigation method. In this method, water is distributed through a system of pipes, usually by pumping. It is then sprayed into the air through sprinklers so that it breaks up into small water drops which fall to the ground. Protection
Next,
from
agricultural
weeds.
practice
Undesirable
is
plants
crop
which
protection
grow
from
naturally
weeds.
with
Weeds
crop
is
are
called weeds.
defined as the
Removal of
unwanted
weeds
plants
is called
in crop
weeding.
fields which
Weeds
grow
are
along
removed
with the main
manually
crop.
by using
They are
kurpi.
strong and
Weeds can
dominating
also be
competitors
controlled
for
by
crops.
certain chemicals called weedicides. Farmers should cover their nose and mouth while spraying weedicides. Next activity is harvesting. Cutting of crops after it is mature is called harvesting. Usually it takes 3 to 4 months for cereal crops to mature. Harvesting is done manually by sickle or by machine called harvester. Removing of grains from chaff is called threshing. Separation of grain and chaff is also done by small farmers by using winnowing. The last agricultural activity is storage. If grains are to be kept for longer duration, they should be kept safe from moisture, insects, rats, and microorganisms. Large scale storage of grains is done in silos or granaries. That's all, children. This chapter is completed. Learn well. Have a nice day. Thank you.